Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a head off effect on Higgsfield AI. So in this particular effect, you just see the person taking off their head, and it's really cool effect. So all you have to do is to click on higgsfield.ai, go to the visual section here, which is the first one here, then click on head off. You should be brought to a page like this where you can see various samples. You can click on anyone that speaks to you that you want to actually just recreate immediately, or you can just click on generate. So once you click on generate, you'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually now upload your image here. If you have an end frame, which I doubt, you can upload it. That's why it's always optional, but this is required. Okay, for this particular one, the end frame is actually required, so you can click on it, and then you can also describe your prompts and then your model you're using. So I advise you just leave it as it is, but as you can see, this is for the premium users. So if you need the one that is free, you can click on any of these free ones that do not have the premium uh, watermark on them. So after that, you can now click on generate now, and your video would be created and rendered within 15 to 20 minutes. Initially you may see 45 minutes or an hour, but do not pay attention to that. It will give you short in a shorter period of time. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, or any idea or any AI you're having issue with, or this particular one, and I will do my best to answer it. Do have a great day guys, and drink a whole lot of water. Thank you guys.